Hello.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing?
All right, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. It's Monday. It's new beginnings.
Yay.
So he's in federal custody.
He is in federal custody. I did have contact with the federal public defender, and he was sentenced to 10 months. He has been in federal custody since February. So I'm estimating around the end of November, around the 10th.
Just 1 second. State.
That's right.
On Jose Armando Jr.,
Yes, Judge.
defense counsel tells me that he's received 10 months.
Yep.
What do you all want to do?
So as he can come here, we'll weigh him out.
All right.
That's sort of the new thing, Judge.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Ms. Ferguson.
Yep.
Jose Rodriguez has been sentenced to 10 months in federal custody. Can you have him bench warranted? Well, the state, if they can have him bench warranted.
Yes.
When do you want him brought back?
We do September 8th.
Are you available September 8th?
Judge, is that the only day that? I'm going to say the 11th.
All right. All right. We'll see you then.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
Judge. Thank you.
Joshua Perales and counsel, if everything's going well with your client, then you really don't have to come in. If the state has no objections, just let me know and we'll remove GPS.
Yeah, well, I did in the update and I know I got it.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you. All right. Where are we on this case with discovery?
I have not looked at the videos. He's brought some issues up, wants me to look at them. So I'd ask for a 30-day reset if I could.
All right. Have you received an offer from the state?
I did receive an offer from the state and he brought up some issues. So I want to look at the videos, have him come in and look at them.
All right, Norma, I need a 30-day reset on Joshua Perales for a plea deadline date, please. September 18th, counsel?
That was for Moses Ross.
Yeah. Oh, that's for Moses Ross?
I just need my calendar.
Norma, is Moses Ross September 18th?
Oh, you give him a status update?
Yes. All right. And so then the person before me now.
I can give him the date.
All right. September 18th will be your plea deadline date. On that date, you need to let the court know whether you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next court date is going to be a quick turnaround for jury trial. You understand? All right. Thank you for addressing appropriate court. Just have a seat and they'll bring the reset form to you.
That's a big deal right there. Plea deadlines work like the final boarding call at an airport. If you miss it, you're locked in for trial whether you're prepared or not. And once the judge demands a quick turnaround.
Oh. All right, Hughes. Good morning. How are you doing, counsel?
Spectacular. How are you today, Judge?
Oh, I cannot complain.
Case dismissed for insufficient evidence. Basically, the court telling the state, nice try, but suspicion isn't proof. Prosecutors need solid, hard facts to make a case stick, not just guesses or assumptions.
All right, sir. They say they're dismissing your case for insufficient evidence. So do things differently, okay? Here you are.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Tyrell Benjamin. Hello, good morning. You're always on time. You always dress appropriately. I really do appreciate that. So this is what's going on. Your attorney is in Travis County, which I'm being told is Austin. Drum roll. I got that right. So he is up for trial in Austin. So of course he can't be here.
Right.
So you're employed?
Yes.
All right. So what I can do is I'm going to recall you.
Okay.
And Norma, can you recall him for next week? And you can appear by Zoom
Okay.
because I don't know if we're going to be finished with this trial that we're in or not.
Right. Right.
So you want, what date do you want to put it, Norma? All right. So it'll be the 25th.
Okay.
And once you sign the reset form, you're excused. But if you don't want to appear by Zoom, if you want to appear in person, you can appear in person. All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Oh, you too. Have a blessed day. All right. Roger Blanco. Hello. How are you doing?
Pretty good, miss.
All
Thank you.
right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court and for being on time.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me see. Yes. State on Roger Blanco. I'm assuming since it's been indicted, there are no longer any pending labs.
No, Your Honor, that would be true. There are no pending labs.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Because the last time we were here in July, there were some pending labs. Oh, no. It's the pending labs for his other case that may not have been indicted. It's the possession case.
Let me check that, Judge.
Okay. And it's not listed on here, so I don't know what the cause number is for but it's a 4,200 gram case.
1 second. Obviously, it's 18.
Oh, yes.
22. I don't see any other cases pending for him, Your Honor. I do see a 4,200 with an offense date of 5/16, but that has been closed.
Okay. So then we're going to bring you back on August 25th as well.
Amen.
Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. And that August 25th date is going to be a jury trial date.
Okay.
All right. Much.
Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Thank you, counsel. All right, Jeffrey Smith. So you're scheduled for jury trial, so I'm going to have you come back at 1:30. All right. There's another trial that's in front of you. We will see what happens.
Okay. So Kurt Grants is co-counsel and he will be here at 1:30. I'm going to be in McMullen County at 1:30.
And what is happening in McMullen County?
Well, I'm going to find out. I've got a client down there with a district court case as well.
Are they scheduled for trial?
No, it's not, but I can't not be there. I had anticipated.
All right. So come back at 1:30 and then we'll see if you're for trial. But I need you here exactly at 1:30. And don't stand in the hallway. Counsels, if you'll just bring your client through the back area because we'll have a jury in the hallway.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Safe driving.
All right.
Don't speed. Okay.
I've gotten to know the speech.
All righty. All right. Richard Mermia. All right. So what is happening with the mental health court update?
Okay, so I received an email August the 6th. He was screened, agreeable service. That packet was submitted to the district attorney's office for review. And
So I guess it's in our hands. I sent my email to who runs that with my support of that. So I'm assuming it's waiting on them to either make a decision on that.
All right. So when will we know this? Because I know they have staffings on. Norma, when does mental health court have their staffings? On Tuesdays.
So I guess tomorrow.
Yeah. So if you want to come, are you available on Thursday?
to come back on Thursday?
Mhm.
Thursday,
Yes.
at what time?
Oh, it'll be at 9.
Okay, that would be more than.
And then counsel, if we're aware that he's been approved before then we can let everybody know.
Okay.
So we'll come back on the
So we should
21st.
hear something by Thursday,
We are hopeful.
hopefully not.
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
once you sign, oh, God bless you. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Lauren,
Yes, Judge.
we have not seen your client.
He was literally just here and when I was walked in and then he walked out. But he was the gentleman in the white shirt behind the man in the jacket. Unless I'm now going,
All right.
I swear I spoke to him.
Consolado.
There he is right there.
Oh, sign it?
Hi, Mr. Consolado, come forward.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing great.
I'm nervous. Am I gonna be punished? How you doing?
What? No, but there is a warrant for you.
There is?
Yes. So,
Oh, there is?
yeah. So we're going to figure out what it's about. So
Yeah.
don't get concerned. We'll figure out what it's about.
We'll
Okay.
figure out.
But here's the way things work.
Okay.
Whenever there's a warrant for somebody's arrest, it may be for something that's unrelated to this court, but the deputies have to take you into custody. We're going to try to figure out what it is. Your attorney is here, so
Issue the warrant for the violation report?
no, because we haven't had a hearing on the violation report.
Okay, right, okay, so I'll look into what.
So, so, yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll take care of it.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Yeah, we'll.
And just like that, the Monday morning curveball hits. A surprise warrant right in the middle of the hearing. Courtrooms are never dull. One moment it's routine scheduling, and the next, someone's being taken.
It's unrelated, so.
I don't think I've issued a warrant because it's not in the system where I've issued a warrant for the violation report. So we'll try to figure out what's going on.
Go to the back and see.
Yes.
Oh, man.
Okay. There's always, it's Monday. Of course, there has to be drama. But
No idea there's such, I mean,
yeah, but we'll see what's going on. He was late for court too.
yeah, but he's a little.
Yeah, I hear you. So we'll see.
Okay.
Yes.
That's what I looked at right here.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Is there anyone who's ready? Because
Yes.
a jury is going to be up.
All
right. He's on page 1. Yes.
And then I have a few rows.
Okay.
That's what's going to
Yes.
If I want, I'm sorry, Judge, I went ahead and filed a motion for continuance. I have a really complicated week. In the motion, you will see, in addition to the setting, which I'm in the middle of trying to get.
All right. So I know you say you filed the motion, but you'll need to get them to print it out because if you filed it by e-file, I don't have it.
Down there right now.
Okay.
But what's in the motion as well is I've been working on a manslaughter case. And we finally got a date.
Okay. So let me just tell you. Let me just tell you. I appreciate everything that you're saying, but until I see the motion, there's nothing I can do.
I'm just trying to give heads up.
You're-
I know you are.
You're giving me a jacket cover on the book. You're like, hey, let me just tell you what's going to happen in the jacket cover.
I'm transparent, Judge.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. So once you have that before me, then I'll take it out.
I'll be right back as soon as I can get it to the judge.
All right, thank you. Sure.
This is what we get that.
All right, who's here? Larry Garcia? Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 007787 State versus Larry R. Garcia. Can I have parties announce?
Lauren Espinoza for the state of Texas.
Robert Gallo for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Garcia?
Correct, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Garcia, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the
We
indictment?
do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Garcia, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea. If for any reason I don't follow your plea bargain agreement and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, and probation, this is not an application. Counsel, I'm sorry, sir, did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
By entering the plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Garcia, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
I am, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, according to the plea, the state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 108 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there's a $500 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it
I did.
and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
To the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I'm guilty, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers into evidence what has been marked as State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
It's a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
I understood.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
I understand, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Cindy, do you need a cough drop?
I've got one in my mouth.
Okay. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only that you accept the plea bargain we worked out with the state, give them credit for time served and the judgment satisfied.
All right. The court will find you guilty as previously stated. The court will sentence you to 108 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. The court will give you credit for any time served. There is a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrently. Counsel, does he have exactly 108 days?
On the docket sheet, it says 107, Judge. So
All right, so here's the thing. With regards to jail time credit, I can only give you credit for the amount of time you've served day for day. The sheriff's office, they're in charge of whether you receive 2 for 1 or 3 for 1. I'm not in charge of that. What I can tell you is I've entered a sentence of you of 108 days in the Bexar County Jail. So if you have 107 days today, maybe they'll release you today, or maybe they will say you owe them another day. That's completely up to the jail. Do you understand?
I understand that.
Now, if they keep you there past 108 days, then your attorney comes back here and we'll find out what's going on.
I understand.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
And just like that, a Monday morning curveball strikes. A surprise warrant drops mid-hearing, turning what seemed like routine scheduling into chaos as someone's suddenly taken into custody and the stakes flip in an instant.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're going to have to change your life. How old are you?
35.
All right, you're 35. Now, you're receiving a guilty verdict in this case. That's the easy way out for you. And you're like, hey, this is great because I want to be out of jail either today or tomorrow at midnight. Why they choose midnight? Again, that's the jail. But at the end of the day, if you have an addiction and it's addiction to heroin, that's a major issue. And unless you get help for that addiction, time you leave the Bexar County Jail, since you've been there for 107 days, probably gone through detox, what's going to end up happening is you have these plans, right? I'm never going to use again. I'm getting my life together. I'm going to get my family back in my life. Then the next thing you do, you hit freedom, you smell the air, you get involved with somebody because you're supposed to change people, places, and things. And the next thing you know, you're using. And the last time you use could be the last time you use. When you get out of jail, you know what the first thing you should do before you call family or anybody and make promises about I'm changing my life? You need to find yourself a meeting and go to a sober support meeting. You need to find yourself a transitional sober house to live in. If you cannot find any of those things, you come back here. I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to help you. But nobody can help you if you don't want to help yourself. You understand? So don't call family making promises that you're going to maintain your sobriety when you haven't been tested yet. You understand?
I understand.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.